everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angee. So my best friend T got me recently obsessed with the Netflix show On My Block. If you haven't seen that show, it's about a group of lifelong friends who live in a rough LA neighborhood and they have to face life's situations. In today's video, I was inspired by that show to create a Gangster Clown makeup look for this Halloween season. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified for fun new makeup looks. Let's get started. Alrighty, so I'm using Colourpop's black eyeliner to draw on the design that I want, and if you see my previous Halloween looks, I've been using this eyeliner to draw out all my designs. I just like how the application is pointy and not a brush but a sponge, so it gives me more control on how thick or thin I want the lines to be. Also, just to let you know, I'm not drawing it out too perfect because I'll be filling it in anyways. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using a brown eyebrow pencil. I'm basically filling in my eyebrows, and what I'm doing differently is I'm focusing the arch of the brows by the line I had made so that the arch is higher than usual and more towards the center. Taking a black eyeshadow, I'm using MAC's eyeshadow in Carbon to soften up the lines. Going in with black paint, I'm filling in the outline under my eyes, and I first use a flat eyeshadow brush to fill in the blank space. Then I used a small pointed detailing brush to sharpen up the sides. Going back in with the black eyeliner, I'm winging out my eyeliner for both sides. Now I'm using the black liner to draw out a skeleton nose. I use the liner to make the outline as sharp as I can so that I didn't need to sharpen the edges up with a detailing brush. Then using the black paint, I'm filling it in. Using Lancome's Teint Idole Ultra Wear foundation, I put it on a sponge and I'm gently patting it on my lips. Next, taking Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in I'm Nude, I'm applying it only on the inners of my lips, and this will just help to give it a little bit of color. Going back in with a small detailing brush, I'm drawing on teeth with black paint. When drawing it on, it may look like just lines, but I'm angling my brush with the shape of my lips. To deepen the mouth, I'm shading it in halfway with black eyeshadow. Just with the black paint, I'm painting a dot on the bottom of the line and above. This look needed something extra, so I'm going in with highlighter. I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, the inner corners of my eyes, and the brow bone. We are all done. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be putting out more Halloween looks this whole month, so stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.